Hi there! Today we are going to be making a bird. So let's get started. We are going to start on our paper, the right side of our paper, and we're going to just make a straight line, just like that. Maybe about 2 or maybe almost 3 inches long. That's going to be the back side of the bird. Now what we're going to do is we are going to kind of come straight out, go up, come around, and it's kind of a roundish shape. And then you close up at the line. Now if your shape looks a little bit different than this, it's just fine, because birds are really cool because you can make them any size, any shape. All right, let's go back to the back and we're going to put some decorations, some straight lines coming out. They can be different lengths. Some can be short and some can be long. That adds a little bit more interest. At the end of these little lines, you can put some dots. Actually, they're circles. Now we can go back up to the top and let's do his beak, just like this, 2 sideways V's. And then let's put some decoration here at the top of his head as well. So I think I am going to put some upside down V's, and then at the top of those upside down V's, I'm going to put some more circles, just like that. Now this bird is going to have a gigantic eye area. So I'm going to make a very large circle just like that. And inside the circle, I'm going to put a smaller circle and then a dot. Now I think I'd like a little bit of decoration around the eye. So I am going to make some straight lines, some small straight lines coming out from that eye area, all the way around, just like that. Now the body, I think it would be interesting if we could put some designs in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a straight line here, and then I'd like you to just do whatever kinds of design that you like to do, but this is what I'm going to do. If you want to do something similar, that's fine with me. What I am going to do is make kind of like a sideways U for his wing. And then on the inside of that, I'm going to make another U. And then I'm going to make a little bit more space, and then I'm going to make a smaller U. And then inside of that, I'm going to make a line. Now, it would look cool if we had some swirls or lines or something inside the rest of his body. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some lines. So I am just going to spread them out like this. Remember, when you are making lines like this, you kind of travel along here, just like that. Oh, my dog is barking at me right now. Okay, she's saying hi. Can you hear her? She wants to come in the house. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue with the lines until I am happy with the way that that looks. Hi! Now I'm going to go down to the legs and the feet, and I'm going to make some long V's. Some long V's, just like that. And then I am going to create some toes, just like this, coming out from the bottom of his legs. And I am really happy with that bird. I'm going to go let my dog in, and I will see you for the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!